What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your favorite homegirl Ashley, and I am back at it again with another video. Today's video is going to be an Amazon unboxing. Also, not only that, but I'm also going to be setting up my home office, aka my work from home space. I really busted my ass in this video to make my vision come to life. So I hope that you guys really enjoy going on this journey with me, because this was a really exciting project. So I hope that you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Love you.
Top of the hour, and the night is the darkest. I pray that you need me, I pray that you want this.
These are the Ethernet cables that I ordered to connect because I already actually have a laptop. I have a laptop, I have a Chromebook, a Lenovo Chromebook, but I ordered a desktop computer, which I'll actually be unboxing with you guys as well. This setup is my home office, but it'll also be for working from home as well. So I ordered this headset. This was the recommended headset from the company. So I'll tell you guys more about these things as I, unpackage and use them. What's this? My webcam. And also, what is this? And this is my dial pad headset, so it looks like this. The cable, not the cable box, the internet connection is connected in that room, in my son's room. This is my bedroom. So I purchased these Ethernet cables to be able to connect from his room, from the modem in his room to my bedroom. So I also have my friend coming over to kind of help me set everything up. So that's gonna be cool. So also I have a lot of stuff, guys. Hey guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave this video a big thumbs up. Also, interact with me down below in the comment section. Guys, I'll also be leaving the links to all of these items in the description bar, so make sure that you go ahead and check that out if you're interested in purchasing any of these items. So yeah, I love you guys, and I hope that you're enjoying this video so far. Bye. And surprisingly, guys, all of these items were pretty easy to put together. I thought that I was going to have a really tough time, but it actually turned out to be really fun. And I did run into some obstacles here and there, but for the most part, all of these items were really easy to put together. So yeah. I was not expecting to put everything together on my own. Like I said, I was waiting for my friend to actually come over and help me out. And guys,
I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help.
This is awesome.
A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do. Use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the little microphone icon towards the bottom of your screen. If you need an assistive screen reader, press the Windows, Control, and Enter keys at the same time to turn on narrator. Okay, enough intro. Let's dig in. Your region is set to the United States. Is that right?
Yes. Alright guys, so this is what I have so far. So instead of keeping this up here, I decided to improvise and bring it down to the bottom. And yeah, so far so good. It's coming together nice. What you think, Tyre? Come.
Okay.
What do you think? You like it?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yes. Or change video game, console game, Sonic the Hedgehog 1.
Okay, Sonic Hedgehog, Sega, Roblox, and everything video games?
Yeah, all control as the service chase police dog.
Okay.
All is science, all scary stuff.
Okay.
ants made it. Sonic the Hedgehog,